Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into one of the best Clarks Mules for women, the Clarks Women's Breeze Clara Clog. If you're on the hunt for a combination of comfort, style, and breathability, this shoe might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the basics. The Clarks Breeze Clara Clog offers a soft, perforated black textile upper that promotes excellent breathability, making it a great choice for warmer days. The fabric's breathable design ensures that your feet stay cool and comfortable, whether you're running errands, gardening, or even exploring new cities. The lace-up fastening is another thoughtful touch, giving you a secure and personalized fit that stays in place all day long. When it comes to comfort, the Breeze Clara Clog shines. Thanks to Clarks cushioned soft foam footbed, you'll experience a pillowy soft feel with every step. This cushioning offers fantastic shock absorption, perfect for long hours of walking. Whether you're on your feet all day or taking a casual stroll, the footbed ensures your feet are well supported, reducing fatigue. The flexible, slip-resistant outsole is another standout feature. Made from dual-density thermoplastic rubber, the outsole not only provides excellent traction but also boasts the signature breeze stripe detailing that Clarks is known for. The 25mm heel height offers just enough lift without sacrificing stability or comfort. Whether you're walking on a variety of surfaces or just enjoying a quiet day outdoors, this clog handles it all with ease. Another thing to love about the Breeze Clara is how versatile it is. It's perfect for a range of activities, from casual outings to more relaxed moments at home. The lightweight, breathable design means you can wear it for extended periods without discomfort, making it a great choice for travel, casual outings, or even as a cozy option for homeware. To top it all off, the Clarks Women's Breeze Clara Clog is available in multiple sizes, including wide sizes, to ensure that every foot type can find a perfect fit. And with Clarks' reputation for durability, you can expect this shoe to last for seasons to come. If you're looking for the perfect balance of comfort, style, and practicality, the Clarks Women's Breeze Clara Clog might just be the ideal addition to your wardrobe. Don't miss out on this exceptional choice for casual footwear that doesn't compromise on quality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Until next time, happy shopping.